Welcome to our 3-stage program, one of the very first 3-stage programs in the prop firm industry. And we already hear what you're thinking. 2 stages is already hard enough to pass, so why would I ever take a 3-stage program? And so today in this video, we are going to break down our entire program and explain to you exactly why a 3-stage program is not only going to change the game, but it might be the program that you have been waiting for, and it just might be the program that allows you to become a funded trader. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So a quick overview of why 3 stages. Like I said, 2 stages is already hard enough, so why 3 stages? We can see the overview right here. No daily loss limit, no time limit, static maximum drawdown, instant account upgrades, and an incredible feature that will allow you to reset your account. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. Let's look at the profit targets. The phase 1 profit target is 5%. Phase 2 profit target is 4%. Phase 3 profit target is 3%. This means that in total, to become a funded trader, you need to make 12%, which is lower than our 2-stage program, which is currently 13%. 8% and 5%. On top of that, it means that the challenge is going to get easier as you progress. The most difficult phase will be phase 1, but once you pass that, you should have the confidence and the momentum to move forward and hit the profit targets on phase 2 and phase 3. The maximum drawdown is 5%. We're super excited to announce that it's not going to be a trailing drawdown, meaning that it's not moving. It's going to remain at 5%. So once you make 3%, it's still at $95,000 on a 100K account, for example. It is not going to move. Now, you might also be thinking, max daily loss limit. NA, what does that mean? That's right, there is no daily loss limit on this account, meaning that you only have to focus on the maximum drawdown level. And it's important that I note, on our 3-stage program, like all of our programs at Lark Funding, it is balance-based drawdown. We get this question all the time. Is it equity? Is it balance-based? We only use balance-based drawdown on our programs. And so I think many of you will benefit from that. Minimum trading days is 0, meaning that you can still pass in a single day. Many traders have said, oh, it's gonna take forever. It's gonna take 6 months to pass a 3-stage program. That is simply not the case with our program because it gets easier. There are 0 minimum trading days, and we also have instant account credentials, meaning as soon as you pass phase 1, within seconds, give or take a couple minutes, sometimes it'll be a couple minutes, you will automatically receive the credentials for phase 2. So you can continue trading and you can literally pass in a single day. Now let's move over to the funded stage. The profit split, as you will see here, is 80%. Our other programs, the standard profit split is 75%. So we're excited to announce that all traders, the bare minimum profit split is now 80% on our 3-stage program, and you can still purchase the upgrade during checkout to have 90% profit splits. The payout period, this is going to be one of the best features for the program. Your first payout can be requested within 14 days, but after that, every payout is going to be weekly. Every 7 days, you can request a payout. I think this is going to be a feature that many of you are going to enjoy. Who doesn't like getting paid more? Who doesn't like making more money? That is none of you watching, I hope. So now that we have the broad overview, let's look at some of the more unique nitty-gritty features. As I said, 80% profit split, no daily drawdown. Profit targets are 5%, 4%, 3%, and we offer 7-day payouts. Now, the account sizes and the pricing, even if it's the greatest program in the world, if it's too expensive, you're not going to be able to take it. And with this program, we really wanted to make it affordable for everybody. These are some of the best prices in the industry. So we have account sizes as small as $5,000, and we have account sizes all the way up to $200,000. Our $5,000 account, keep in mind this is without any promo codes, and we are always running different promotions, is $50. Our $10,000 challenge is $70, $25,000, $175. Our $50,000 is $240. Our $100,000 challenge is $370. Many traders compare prices between 100K accounts. It's kind of the gold standard. Our 2-stage $100,000 valuation without any promo codes is $525. So you can see just how much lower this is at $370. And if we have a 20% promo code, that's going to bring it under $300, which I think is one of, if not the best priced $100,000 challenge in the industry. To put it again into perspective, $700 for a $200,000 challenge. On our 2-stage, it's $1,000. On our 1 stage, it is $1,750. So it is half the price as our 1-stage $200,000 challenge. So I think many of you are going to enjoy. The leverage starts out at 15-1 all the way up to 30-1. Now again, for some of you on face value, this might seem low, but I guarantee you it is not as low as you think. Leverage is one of those things that is highly misunderstood. Traders think, oh, if I don't have a minimum of 100-1, I'm not going to be able to open any trades. I am excited to tell you that we have increased dramatically the maximum lot size limits on our challenges. On a $100,000 challenge, you can open up to 30 lots. Now, I think for 99.9% of you watching, 30 lots is more than enough on a $100,000 challenge. So you'll want to go into our FAQ page. I'll link it down below. You'll be able to see the full list of maximum lot sizes for this. And I think you'll find that the leverage will not be an issue at all. Instant account upgrades, yes, no daily drawdown limit. On top of that, I want to mention the incredible reset feature that we're going to have. It is not yet on the website. It will be up very soon, and I think it will be available roughly 1 week after launch because we are building out an automated feature. It's all going to be automatic, so you won't even need to contact us. What the feature is it's going to allow you to reset at any phase of the challenge your account for a 75% discount. The reason behind this is if you make one mistake, we don't want to penalize you and force you to purchase a new challenge at the full price. So if you make a mistake during phase 2, phase 1, phase 3, and you qualify for the reset feature, you can receive a 75% discount. You'll go back to phase 1 and you can start all over again, all while saving yourself a ton of money of not needing to repay the full price. Now the question is, how do you qualify? There's very few rules in order to qualify. The idea is that we want to allow as many traders to qualify for this reset without essentially rewarding traders that just full margined and gambled their account. In order to qualify, you need to apply for it before 75% of your drawdown limit has been exceeded, meaning that you can't be in drawdown more than 3.75% before requesting the reset. If you've lost 4.5% and then you bring it back up, that's still okay. You can request it. So again, to note, you can't have lost more than 3.75% at the time of the reset. So it's kind of a sacrifice your account type of reset. On top of that, no single trade can exceed a loss of 1%. So again, if you fit those two criteria, you will qualify for this great reset feature. Again, we have designed it so that we're not rewarding gamblers that are just full margining in their trades. We want to make sure that you are remaining risk managed. To recap, no daily loss limit, a smaller overall profit target than our 2-stage program that gets easier with each phase. We have a weekly payout, and it is one of, if not the most affordable challenge on the market, and no trailing drawdown. It is static. It is not going to move. I hope that this video and our website breaks down and answers all of the questions that you have. As I mentioned, I will put in the description of this video a link to our FAQ page. So if there's any more questions that you might have, check it out there. You'll be able to find your answers there. Of course, our support team is always available. You can always email us. But overall, we are super excited for this program. We have been operating for over a year now. And when we first launched, we didn't have a ton of unique features. We were still working out the business model, how to remain risk managed, and what kind of features, unique features we wanted to bring to the market. But now that we have been in business for over a year and we finally tuned our risk management and what it is that traders truly want, we're excited to announce this program, which is unique. There's no other firm that has a program like this. Yes, there's a couple that have 3-stage programs, but if the profit target's 8%, 8%, 5%, why would you take it? It's not better for the trader in any way, but we firmly believe that there are a ton of features with this program that are going to make it more favorable to a lot of you watching. Some will still prefer the 1-stage, some will still prefer the 2-stage. It has larger drawdown room. But in terms of balance and the risk on the firm, we think that this is a tremendous opportunity for many. It is low priced, it has great profit targets and a ton of great features. So all that being said, we can't wait to hear your feedback. We can't wait to see what you think. And of course, we appreciate the ongoing support. We'll see you in the next video. And until then, peace.